Hello, friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to redeem a Nike gift card. So, let's get started. At first, let's go to any browser and search for Nike gift card. Let's start with this one. Here, we can see the Nike gift cards, offering various options. You can choose any. Let's go for this one. Now, choose your desired design and select the amount. Add the recipient's delivery details. Enter the email address and add an additional message if you wish. Click on Add to Bag. Now, click on Checkout. Here, we need to choose the payment details. You can select credit or debit card. Enter the card details, including the card number and expiration date. Fill in your details, and finally, when you are done, click on Continue. So, this is all we need to do to redeem a Nike gift card. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.